guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA Brazil size. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity. Thank you, subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at a collaboration between PUMA and the UK retailer Size. So this is the Size PUMA Brazil. And we got this in the Team Violet Green Glare colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's European 41 and it's US 8.5. And just before we get unboxing, I just want to show the box out. So you got, Size logo there. I like PUMA. And then, you've got c'est la qualité, which I'm pretty sure that means it's the quality in French. And then PUMA match mit quality, I guess it's the same in German. PUMA's quality. Not 100% sure because I don't know that much German. But this is a really dope box. Echoes the colorway of the sneaker. Let's get into it. And here they are, very sleek, very stylish. And as I mentioned, the colors are very similar to the box. And yeah, this is like a very cool, very terrace inspired look. Obviously, it is inspired by football because the sneaker was to commemorate Brazil's 1970 World Cup win. And obviously, they had arguably a really good team. But now this sneaker is very clean, terrace-like, because that is what's kind of in fashion at the moment. You got loads of people wearing Adidas Sambas, handball specials. But for that PUMA's case, it's a bit different because you got people going into the PUMA Speed Cap, for example, or the Mostro. Do check those out. The Mostro, we've done a review, so do check that out. But obviously, PUMA's got the likes of A$AP Rocky, Rihanna under their belt, of Lewis Hamilton, how can I forget? So yeah, PUMA's slowly cooking. They're slowly cooking. And what they've done with their collaboration with PUMA is pretty dope as well. Very nice colors, very vibrant, and as I mentioned before, it's like that terrace inspired look as well. So we'll start with the outsole. If you look at that outsole, you've got a cross section traction patterning with the PUMA logo in this brown gum, and then on the upper you've got a suede upper in that purple all around the sneaker. It's very low profile cut as well. And then the form strip, PUMA's quite iconic with that nameless logo, I'd say. It's like their form strip. And it's in this lime green. And you got the gold lettering with PUMA Brazil just above it. The laces, so you got purple laces. And then on the tongue, it's like a rubberized tongue right there with the PUMA and the pink. And then the insole, you got a PUMA sticker in the aesthetic insole in the pink, and just at the back, usually you see this PUMA Speed Cat or the cap, but it's quite blank and it's just in that lime green right there for you. And this is a very sleek sneaker. Great collaboration between one of the UK's most leading sneaker retailers at the minute, and I forgot the hits of pink. So you got this purple, green, and pink. It's a great mesh of colors, I guess. Very clean sneaker. Can't wait to try this on. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Puma fit. I'm a size 7.5 when I'm wearing most things. These fit perfectly. These look cool. It's very comfy, I'm not gonna lie as well. Very sleek as well. Colour's really loud, but I'm a big fan of purple. Shout out to Prince. Rest in peace, Prince. But no, what size have done with Puma, it's a great collaboration. Yeah, here's to Melly. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.